Hey everyone, permit me to call you my besties. So, hello besties, it's been a while. Today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make these lovely earrings that I just displayed on my screen. And here are the materials needed for them. Fabric, I can either use Mako or a hardboard or carton, whatever it is, but I prefer to use Mako because Mako is a more gives me a better result and a better feel. So I use Mako, and I always intend to use quality materials for my clients, so I use Mako. I'm also going to be using hook gum, some jump rings, earring hook. I also need my scissors. I need the cutter or razor blade that I will use to make a hole. Then I also have this small needle that we call a boki needle that I used to make pierce holes for the jump ring. Now the next step I'm going to take is I'm going to use a plate or something that has a round circumference, right? And I'm going to place that on the Mako or on the board or any carton that you're using, whatever you're using. I'll place that on it, and I'm going to use my pen to draw it out. When I'm done drawing, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the the circles out neatly. Now, when I'm done cutting that out, I'm just going to take a smaller circle and then I'm going to place it here. See the way I placed it is not at the middle of the bigger circle. It's somewhere at the top, so that I can have it looking like it's one side is bigger than one side. Then I'm going to draw that out, and with my razor blade or with that what's it called, the cutting knife I have, I will use that to cut out the circle. Now when you are done doing this, a preferable way is that you will make the first circle, like cut it out, and use that one to cut the second one so that it's balanced. But I was able to do it because I think over time I've practiced, and I know how to place the smaller circle on the big one without having it look somehow. So for you, if this is your first time, you can cut out this one first, like the very first one, remove it, and then use this one, place on the second pair of earring, right? And then cut out the circle again. When you are done doing this, the next thing is for you to go on and wrap. This is what it's going to look like when you're done removing that circle. You go on and wrap. Now if you have watched our previous videos, see this one showing up here. If you have not watched, you can watch again. You'll be able to understand how to wrap neatly. This pattern I use here is what I use to wrap my normal hula hoops earring. So you can watch this video showing up here and then get to practice. But it's still simple. You take a tiny bit of, you apply some hook gum on the part of the hoops, and then apply some at the tip of the fabric, and then you begin to wrap. Like I said, it will do you some good if you can watch this video showing up here so that you can practice better. Now I'm almost done with this. I'm almost done wrapping. When I get to the end, I'm just going to finish it up neatly, and my earring is almost ready. This pattern I did here, I'll have to repeat it for the second circle, and then I have my earring almost ready. The end part is to take up your aboki needle. I don't know what you call it, but you can call it, some people call it puncher. You take the aboki needle, this stuff I'm holding here, and just make a tiny little hole. That's hole you're making, that's where you're going to be putting your jump ring. You make a tiny little hole. Be careful so I don't puncture yourself or injure yourself. do this neatly. And if you notice, okay, my hand is covering it, but I'm making it at the tip, not in the middle, because when you do it maybe somewhere inside the what's it called, the earring, the jump ring will not fit properly. It won't enter. You might have problem fitting the jump ring. So you always puncture at the tip, somewhere at the tip of the earring. Now I'm going to use my beading plier to open the jump ring up. I open the jump ring up and then go ahead and fix it into the earring hook, and take that and fix into the hole that I created. Then I can go ahead and close it up. For a better effect, for it to look finer, nicer, whatever the word can be for you, you can go ahead and add more rings to it, like a chain or more jump rings to it, so that it looks like it's extended, like it's dropping down. This is quite simple. You can practice, and I'll be looking forward to having you drop a comment, you know, leave a thumbs up on this video, like, share, and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. I am actually on a 90-day, I'm actually on a 90-day challenge. I'm going to be ensuring that I post every day for the 90 days. I'll do both shorts, I'll do live, and I'm going to be doing videos like this for 3 times in a week. I'll be posting tutorials. So if you look forward to getting more of my tutorials, please don't forget to use the subscribe button so that you can practice. Now this is done. This is the final look of the earring. You can do bangle. Watch this other video right here for you to be able to do a fine bangle like this. And that is it. Thank you for watching. All right, bye.